The Hermès Paddock Duo is one of those accessories that instantly feels premium the moment you see it. And honestly, the price tag of $5,150 makes it clear this is aimed at people who want luxury in every detail of their tech setup. Everything is wrapped in gold Swift calfskin leather, and the stitching is incredibly clean and precise. You can really tell the craftsmanship is a big part of what you're paying for here, especially with the signature saddle stitching running all the way around the charger and its case. When it comes to functionality, it's actually pretty straightforward and convenient. You get two charging pads placed side by side, one designed for your Apple Watch and the other for your iPhone. The iPhone side delivers more power, so it charges faster, which is a nice touch. There's a long cable attached at the back, but you'll still need to connect it to a separate 20-watt USB-C adapter to get everything up and running. Using it is simple. You just place your devices onto their designated spots, and thanks to magnetic alignment, they snap into position and start charging right away. Your iPhone sits comfortably on the right, the Apple Watch on the left, and even your AirPods can be dropped onto either pad for wireless charging without needing extra cables. It keeps everything clean and clutter-free. The Grand Paddock case really completes the whole experience. It's made in France using the same leather, and it's designed to keep everything organized whether you're at home or traveling. Inside there's a zippered pouch along with dedicated compartments for the charger, cable, and adapter, plus a bit of extra space for other small items. There's even a pocket to keep things from moving around too much, which adds to that sense of thoughtful design. The leather itself feels rich and durable right from the first touch. It's soft, but still has that solid, high-quality feel, and over time it develops its own character, which makes it even more special the longer you use it. One thing you'll notice is the absence of exposed plastic, which really reinforces that luxury aesthetic. This set is part of Hermès' spring collection and is available both in stores and online. If you're not ready to go all in, the charger on its own costs around $1,750. The full set with the larger case is $5,150, while a slightly smaller oval case option brings it down to about $4,225. It's definitely a splurge, but for those who appreciate design, materials, and craftsmanship, it's more than just a charger. It's a statement piece.